per my interview with him, he told me that he's going to be a friendly witness to the Congress hearing, to the congressional hearing, which will be conducted either tomorrow or the following day. I told him, libre ka. You can either be a friendly witness or a hostile witness. It depends upon your choice kung anong gusto mo. But he told me na he will be a friendly witness. He's willing to tell all. Lahat ng alam niya, lahat ng itatanong sa kanya sa Kongreso ay sasagutin po niya base lamang po sa katotohanan. We do not exert undue duress or undue pressure upon him. Kita naman nyo, walang gasgas. Hindi po siya sinaktan, hindi siya tinakot, hindi siya sinaywar. Yun lang daw gagawin niya bukas sa hearing. Magsasabi siya ng katotohanan. So, from here, after this, I will turn him over to the Sergeant at Arms of the Congress, Lieutenant General Ditabali, retired. Sir, andito ka, sir. Oh. General Ditabali will receive him from us, then escorta namin going to the Congress.